Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're looking at the dollar CAD. So we can see this leg up, bullish on the 4 hour here. Okay, so we've got a break of structure to the upside here, break of this previous high. And we can see this is clearly trending north, higher highs, higher lows. I'm looking for entry around here. Okay, so we've marked up this red candle prior to this move here, order block. And I'm looking for the price to come back down into here to get a fill. So I'll go in there with a position size of 0.2% of my account. You can see I've marked up some levels. This is a monthly level here, monthly resistance through here, this white dotted line. And that's what this is reacting off here. So monthly level right here. Down here we've got a daily level, so I've just got my entry slightly above, and down here we've got a weekly and daily combo, two levels here, support levels. So my buy would be slightly above that, and of course we've got a daily, this blue shaded area, this is a daily order block, and then we've got this 4 hour order block, this red candle in here, so this nested support level if you want to call it that. Underneath we've got weekly, and I'm setting my stop loss under that. So what I'm going to do is show you the indicators giving us these levels. Enable this here, and you can have a look, see. Let's just grab this. All right. So we've got this white line is monthly resistance. So I've just extended that. Big level, and you can see how the market traded to it here, here, here. Okay, so it's a big resistance level. Market's overextended. We've actually got a dot here. Can't see it very well, but it's right at the high of this candle. Down here, you can see this yellow line. Okay, so that's a daily level. Back here, we've got a daily level as well. And here, okay, it runs through here. This is a daily support level. So this might trade down to this yellow line and possibly trade north. But I'm hoping that we get a bit more of a discount. So I've got my buy midway through this 4 hour order block here, just above this daily level. So you can just see how I'm, I guess, plotting out the chart and mapping out this trade more or less. Down here, see this orange line here? That's a weekly level, a weekly support level. So I've got my second buy down here. So this will be a buy limit order. Under here we've got a daily, so you can see weekly and daily. All right, that yellow line there is the daily. All right, so our indicators are giving us all these levels, and the market will tend to react off these levels. So I'm setting up my entry slightly above here, and then of course we've got this daily order block. We're on a 4 hour chart, and this candle here giving us a 4 hour order block, right? So big level of support right here with this weekly and daily and these order blocks nested. What have we got? Under here we got this orange line is a weekly resistance, so I've just marked that through. So I'm going to set my stop loss slightly under this weekly, under these lows, and entry. This will be TP1. Take 70% of my position off here, or two of these, and then we'll leave 30% in, or a third of our position in to run. So if we get a bit of mileage out of it, we'll just let it go and we'll trail it up with our stop loss. So that's the plan of attack with the dollar CAD. So I'm just watching this now. It's trading down into my buy zone, and I'll be keen to see how this one shapes up. So if we just grab along. Oh, by the way, guys, click the link below. Join Telegram. It's free. You're most welcome. Love to see you in there. Let's just average this out here. Stop loss under, and we'll go for broke with our TP. So take 70% off here, and then let the rest run. That's the idea. So see how we go with that. So we can see break of structure to the upside. Just let it trade back down. See if we get an entry down here, and running with the trend. See this, by the way. See this cloud down here. See how we've got this break out of the cloud, right? So you can see these red dots, and this is trading through the cloud here. Green dots under, red dots up. We've actually broken out of the cloud here. So this is a fairly bullish setup. And I mean, you can see higher lows. We've got this break of structure, etc. So let's just see how we go with that. So we want to see strength come into the dollar. If the stock markets sell off, that will be in our favor. If they rally, we could see the dollar weaken a little bit. So just keep an eye out for that. All right, so we want the stock markets to sell off and we see a little bit of strength come into the dollar, and that could be a very nice outcome. I mean, it is trending up, so we'll run with the trend. See how we go. And as always, there's risk involved. Trade carefully. Don't be greedy. And I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.